Hello guys, it's Kumar K, your favorite teacher for DSA plus OA plus CP. Previously, I worked at Amazon and Media.net as a software engineer. In this video, we are going to discuss how should you prepare for your upcoming Amazon OA in 2025. Like, I know that many students are giving their Amazon online assessment for SD internship role, SD1 role, and even SD2 role. Even the working professionals are giving Amazon OA. And many like thousands and thousands of people are giving it on a weekly basis, daily basis. So I think it's very important to give the correct guidance to the people giving the Amazon online assessment, so most of the people can get the correct guidance and they can get selected, because many of the people are ready to work hard. They just do not have the correct guidance because no one speaks about OA clearly to them. But I will try my best to speak very clearly to you about the Amazon OA. So let's go to the head over to our very important document. I call it as the Amazon OA prep document for SDE Intern slash SD1 slash SD2 role. Okay. So first of all, we congratulate our student, like one of the students in my one-to-one mentoring plus day life DSA plus OA plus CP training program, along with referral features, has cracked off-campus 51 LP SD offer from Amazon in July. So we are very happy for her. So first of all, we give congratulations to her for cracking the off-campus Amazon SD offer of 51 LPA. Then in June also, one of the students cracked the Amazon off-campus SD offer. His name is Guna Shekhar C. So congratulations to him as well. In May also, one of my students cracked the off-campus 51 LP SD offer from Amazon. So lots of hard work it has gone, and it is done by me, our team, and the student to make sure that they get selected in FANG. This student even cracked all the technical rounds of Google. So congratulations to Krishnakant Verma as well. Okay. Now we have many more selections like this. Why was I showing you these selections? So that now you have enough belief in me that I can actually guide you for Amazon OA and Amazon interview in 2025. So first of all, the first thing, if you are preparing for Amazon online assessment, stay away from influencer DSA sheets. So guys, you need to maintain lots of distance from the influencer DSA sheets, because they just consist of 100, 200, maximum 300, 500 standard DSA questions picked from lead code and GFG websites. They are very good for understanding the standard basic DSA algorithms, but they are not enough to crack the hard unseen DSA questions asked in Amazon way. Like in any top tech company online assessment, what happens? Well, what happens is that they give you a story based problem, generally on HackerRank. 90% of times it's on HackerRank. So they give you a story based problem. You have to read the story, decipher it on your own. By the way, I have not made any script for this video. You have to decipher the whole story. And once you understand the story, you have to convert it into a 1 to 2 liner DSA question. Now that DSA question will be a new one which you have never read before in your life. So you have to totally solve this new question. It's similar to solving mathematics section of JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. Why is it easy to solve maths in 12th boards compared to JEE Mains and JEE Advanced? Because in JEE Mains, JEE Advanced, the new question is going to come up. So whenever a new question is involved, be it engineering entrance exam or Google or Amazon online assessment, you need to have critical thinking skills and problem solving skills, and you need to do it in a less time under pressure. So this is the most important basic thing. You need to do lots of OA plus CP training and OA plus CP practice. You cannot run away. Many students think that just doing 100 200 standard easy questions from lead code GFG and DSA sheets will be enough, but in most of the cases it is not enough. So now let's go to our document one more time. So the thing is that guys, I have created lots of content for you. Basically, in June and July, many OA problems are getting asked and they are getting repeated also. So me and my team have made video solutions on them. We also have codes for all those problems. We even have their question links in our database and everything. Our core students have access to all the Amazon OA questions and video solutions asked, since the last 2, 3, 5 years. But to you people, I will be showing you all the questions asked in June and July 2025, so you exactly know how to prepare for it in July and August. So let me show it to you. Yeah. So like you can read this paragraph, very important. Like Stay away from influencer DSA sheets as they consist of easy standard DSA problems, which is not at all enough for cracking hard unseen DSA problems of OA of top tech fangam companies. Indulge yourself in OA plus CP training and lots of practice to be done for hard unseen DSA questions of specific topics of OA and CP. Now, guys, I really love you and I really care for you because few years back I was myself in this phase where I knew the standard basic DSA, but I was not able to solve new questions. So it was giving me lots of problems. So I can understand your situation. Okay, so I have full empathy and sympathy with you. But now, how to get out of this situation? Well, at my time, there was no one to guide, but you guys have me for your guidance. So let's scroll below. I basically graduated somewhere around 2021. Now, guys, all the Amazon OA asked in 2025, you guys can check it out in this link. Okay, I'll try to be as quick as possible. I will try not to take your time. Okay, so like all the Amazon OA questions asked in June and July 2025, they are here of the set one. And guys, the set two is here. So please prepare them in advance because similar question can repeat. Okay, so I'm trying to give you the best material which I have. These are all the questions asked in June, July. Okay, so prepare them as well. Now let's go to the questions individually. So if I try to look at the first problem, it's a very very great problem asked on bit manipulation plus mathematic concept. Its name it was like and sort problem. Okay, and operations you need to know to sort a permutations from 0 to n minus 1. So you need to have bit manipulations and mathematics knowledge. Okay, now let's go to another problem which was asked. These all problems were asked just few days back. Longest substring. So this is a KMP string algorithm problem. It's a hard unseen DSA problem. You need to apply observations and string algorithms in it. Now if I go below, one more problem here we have, it is totally based on string manipulation. So like I am just showing you this problem so we can analyze what type of problems they generally ask. This problem is based again on bit manipulation plus observation plus mathematic concepts. Okay, then let's go. Yeah, Karan Kumar was the name, right? That's my name only of the poster. So, guys, now in Amazon OA, what generally happens is that every time some array will be involved, you will have to apply some sub-array concepts or some pairs concept using hashing and prefix suffix concept, focusing on the sub-arrays and the pairs. Sometimes you might have to do the, you know, apply greedy and binary search on the top of it. Okay, that's it. And sometimes max and median. So if you have done like 100 to 200 problems hard and unseen or in each of these topics, then Amazon OA is a piece of cake for you. Okay, so like in my course, the starting 150 sessions are all based on hashing, prefix, suffix, and their manipulation, and max and median and greedy. So these, not just in Amazon OA, in all types of OA, these are the majority, but Amazon really loves hashing prefix and suffix concepts mixed in some way. Okay, so I will try to show you those things here, so just give me a second. Yes, we can see that this problem was asked on prefix, suffix, and hashing plus observation concept. You guys can check it out here. And guys, if you want the video solutions by me, if you want the video solutions by me of all the recent Amazon OA problems, make sure you comment. Okay, now this problem is also clear to us. Then let's go to the next problem. It's the problem which was based on math plus prime factor concept. Okay, this document will be available to you people. You guys can check it out. Okay, next problem, if I try to check, again a problem based on array plus hashing concept. I'm just trying to show you these problems so you know that these type of problems are coming. They might get repeated, so prepare their answers in advance. This is another problem based on prefix, suffix plus greedy concept. It's a medium hard problem. So this also. Now this is an observation plus binary search plus hashing plus subarray concept problem. Guys, can you see that the topics are getting repeated again and again, again and again, again and again? I know that these problems are hard and unseen and you have to, throw your own logic at it, but the main concept and the main topic revolving generally remains the same. So that's why we should do, lots of topic wise OA and CP problems. So this is another problem on prefix, suffix, and hashing binary search greedy concept. Like there are so many. I'm just trying to show you as many as I can. Again, a problem on string algorithm, prefix, suffix, observation. Yeah, this is also a very nice problem. Then if I go below multidimensional DP problem, hard, median plus greedy problem. Guys, I told you, median and max concepts you need to practice as much as you can. Median and max concepts very very important for your case. Very very important. Okay. So if I yeah for the SD2 OA. Generally, in SD Intern and SD1 OA, there is no difference in the difficulty level. They are similar. Sometimes even the SD Intern OA might be harder than the SD1 OA, depending on which problem set you got on which date. SD2 OAs are always difficult. I've seen that. Like, for example, this was asked in one of the SD2 OA rounds. This is a very hard problem based on this is a very hard problem based on math plus multidimensional DP concept. Very, very hard. You can watch the video. I made the video also. So guys, there are many video solutions also for you people. Try to watch them and try to understand them as much as you can. Then guys, another for SD2, a very very hard problem on stacks, prefix, suffix concept and segment tree or ammo algorithm you can use. So one thing is clear, if you're going for SD2OA, please be careful. You need to prepare the prefix suffix stuff with mainly the stack concept, where we use the next greater, previous greater, or next smaller, previous smaller element concepts. And you should be very familiar with ammo algorithm and segment tree and lazy propagation segment tree. So the thing is that, like, basically we call it as lazy propagation on segment tree. Okay. So the thing is that it's very very hard to code it up. So if you're giving us online assessment, make sure in the written notes you have the implementations of ammo algorithm and segment tree. So if needed, you can directly pull it out, because in hacker and compiler you will not have the copy paste option, and you will not even be able to switch the tabs to check out your template. So please be very very careful about all those things. Okay, so let's go. Yeah, HackOn OA, guys. Many students, are giving the HackOn OA also. It happens like once every year. Once you give the HackOn OA, you come in the good books of Amazon, and then they conduct one more OA of yours, and then they conduct your interview. Okay, so HackOn OA has also happened. They asked a very hard, super hard, greedy problem. Amazon HackOn OA problems can be more difficult than the regular Amazon OA problems. So you guys should always remember those things. Very, very important. Okay. So with the name of God, Ram Ram, range interval greedy problem, guys. In my greedy course of 851 hours course, we have the greedy section. There are many range interval problems. Even on YouTube, I have put like 15 to 18, or I think at least 5 to 6 range interval greedy problems. Very good quality. You do them, you can solve this Amazon OA problem also of range interval greedy, which was recently asked. Now let's go to the lead code discuss posts, which discuss many of the Amazon OA problems asked in June and July 2025. So here, if I see, yeah, again one more problem on simple array hashing and mathematics. And the second problem is the problem on prefix, suffix, the same stack concept and ammo algorithm. If you want to call, you can call it as lazy propagation segment tree also. This problem, if I try to analyze it, it's a basic string manipulation concept with the hashing and anagram and palindromic concepts. So like there are many problems which we have. I'll try to open them all up. I'll try to explain you guys as much as possible. See, max problem. There are many problems available on Codeforces, CodeChef, and AtCoder on MEX concepts. Max concepts are generally mixed with greedy, guys. Okay, so you master greedy, you master max and median also. And yeah, greedy का भाई बहन आप binary search समझो, वो भी mix हो ही जाता है. ठीक है? So if I repeat in English, whenever you're doing max and median problems, binary search and greedy will automatically come into the play 99% of the times in the OA for sure. In CP problems also the same type of variations go on. Sometimes DP might be used. Sometimes DP might be used. Okay. Because I remember doing a tree DP problem based on max in CodeChef recent contest of 2900 level. That was very difficult. Anyways, guys, now if I try to open more OA problems for you people, okay, this is the same one which I opened. Okay, this is the same password one. Okay, modified naps. Yeah, this is not the Amazon. Only these two are Amazon OA problem. That's what I think. Now, if I try to show you more, like there are so many guys that are not even ending. But I will, like, these are all the OA problems asked in June and July 2025. This is a very good problem on binary search and mathematics. Okay, might involve array and hashing also. Again, let's go to the SD2 OA. Again, a very, very good problem on subarray and array concepts. Like subarray, hashing, prefix, suffix go all together. Okay. Let me open one more important link for you people. See, again, the binary search problem is there. Guys, binary search OA problems are very important. In most of the OAs, they always ask you a question which is directly based on doing binary search on answer. So you might have to create some mathematical function. You will have to see if it is monotonically increasing or decreasing, and then you have to apply binary search to it. Okay. So that's also very important. Like guys, there are so many. I like you guys can go through it. You will know that again and again same topics Amazon is asking. Okay. See, this is a binary string plus greedy problem. Where, like this is a little bit different than usual version. Then if I open this problem up, let's open this up. So this is again guys subarray problem. Guys, can you see subarray and hashing repeating so many times? I was not lying to you. I told you study subarray and hashing as much as possible, right? So I'm very happy. Yeah, yeah. I miss my times when I used to give this OAs. Yeah, so let's guys try to open all the OAs. Like I'm trying to do it very quickly. I don't want to take much of your time. I just want to give the most brief analysis in this video. Okay, on YouTube in the world. Guys, this server problem totally based on binary search, and then this. Okay, this is again the server problem. Server problem, guys. Server problems, and then this is the product problem. Yeah, yeah, based on DP. Okay, this might include binary search arrays and hashing again. Okay, this problem is like the solutions are given in the lead code discuss. We can check them out. Okay, again prefix reduction, then again binary search on sorted capacities plus prefix sum. आप देख रहे हो वही का वही टॉपिक बार 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 so it's not that difficult, you can do it. Okay, so yeah, if I scroll below, so many are there. I don't think the list. I guys, I put all my hard work in and I compiled the full list. ये सारे क्वेश्चंस करके जाओ, आधे क्वेश्चंस आपके रिपीट आने वाले हैं. अच्छे से कर लेना, ठीक है. Yeah, so again the subarray stuff, I think we have checked out all the questions now. Yeah, so the subarray one, sequence data problem, request logs problem. This is also a heavy binary search problem. Array hashing always involved. Okay, that one rejected experience also you guys can study. Now, guys, if you guys are having the interview, na, you guys can go through this document. Guys, like I have 15 to 25 Amazon OA video solutions already, so you should be able to search them on my YouTube channel. The easiest way to search is you go through this link, and there are many Amazon OA videos. आप बस उनको भी देख लोगे ना तो 50% केसेस में 40% केस में आपका काम बन जाएगा. ओके, सो 80% केसेस में बन सकता है अगर आप एकदम ध्यान से देखो और सब समझ लो. So guys, now how to do the preparation? See, the first tip which I will give you is that whenever the question comes up, stay calm. Do not think about the end result. Do not think about what will happen. Okay, what your result will be. Will you get selected? Will you get the package or not? No, no, no. Just calmly read the question without any expectation. Just calmly read the question. Once you read the full story, just like the English comprehension you used to do back in 10th standard exams, board exams, okay, some people in 12 boards also, if they have English language, you read it and you understand. If you calmly read it, it is my experience that in 10-15 minutes we start understanding everything that they have asked, and we are able to make the brute force approach. So if brute force is coming to you and you are not getting any thoughts of optimization, just write the brute force code and pass some test cases. Because these days, even writing the brute force, even passing few cases creates a good impression, because there are two problems. It might happen that when you are doing fully and in second you are failing some test cases, no problem, you'll still get the interview. In multiple cases you still get the interviews. Okay, now, if the brute force is done, you have done brute force in both the questions which you have got. Now you can start thinking of the optimization. When you're trying to do optimization, always try to get your book, paper, pen. Try to make the diagram. Try to make some method. Try to deduce some mathematical formulas, and do it without any expectation. Like that, in most cases, I'm not saying that you will automatically solve the problem. I'm saying that if your true potential is, let's say, 65, your performance will also be of 65. In most cases, what happens is that the true potential is 65, the performance in the exam is 25 and 30. So if you want a proper performance, what you need to do is very calmly read the question with zero expectation. That's it. Calmly read the question with zero expectation while solving. Not even a single thought should come in your mind. You should never become emotional about the result. Okay, जब एग्जाम चल रहा था बस एग्जाम पर फोकस होना चाहिए. That's it. So that thing you have to do, and in general, what you can do is select a rating range of 1400 to 1800 and do hundreds of problems on each of these topics, like from the CP sites like lead code, code forces, code chef, the CP type of problems. हाँ, CP type के problems. Standard easy DSA वाले नहीं, वो आपने बहुत कर लिए. On hashing, prefix, suffix, binary search, greedy, median, max, DP plus string algorithms, manipulation plus observation concept. एक्स्ट्रा आपको पढ़ना है तो आप सेगमेंट ट्री प्लस लेजी प्रोपेगेशन प्लस एमओ एल्गोरिथम पढ़ लो, क्योंकि हमने देखा है कोई कोई ओएस में उन्होंने वो वाले टॉपिक्स भी पूछे हैं. ओके, सो दैट्स इट. If you are my course student, guys, there are 155 Amazon OA plus interview videos. Okay, like Amazon OA videos are also like more than 100 plus, I think so. So just do them, guys, and you will be fully ready for the Amazon OA in the best structured way from the course. Okay, in the course also for all these topics, now there are many high quality videos made which covers all the concepts, patterns, and tricks. So guys, please complete them if you are my course student. And if you're an external community student, follow this and this and these, like you for the YouTube community, like, and the external community people. Greedy playlist. Complete my greedy playlist, DP playlist of hard level DSA plus OA plus CP. Just let me write here of just let me write here of hard level DSA plus OA plus CP. Try to do this, guys. Okay, for dynamic programming, trees, graph, math, hashing, binary search. You guys should try to do these lists, and then the things will become very easy for you. Very easy. Okay. Okay. So make sure you like, share, subscribe, and if you get any new Amazon OA problems, share it with me. My group links and my personal contact numbers all are there in the description. And if you guys want me to put some recent Amazon OA video solutions on YouTube also, please let me know. So with the name of God, Ram Ram, guys. Hope you guys become very successful because I truly love you all. Ram Ram. So let's talk now.